Are you struggling with debt? Feeling overwhelmed and unsure about your rights? You've come to the right place. Hi there. Welcome to our channel where we'll help you navigate your way out of debt and achieve financial stability. Today we're going to talk about the main difference between a debt validation request letter and a debt verification request letter. Debt validation request letter. Sender, the consumer. Purpose. It requests the collection agency to provide evidence that the debt is valid and belongs to the consumer. It also aims to stop collection efforts until the debt is validated. This letter allows you to dispute the debt and ask for specific information to validate it. Debt verification request letter. Sender, the collection agency. Purpose. It is a document a consumer receives from a collection agency to confirm in writing the amount owed. This letter ensures you are paying the correct amount to the right debt collector. So, in summary, debt validation request. Letter = consumer requesting evidence and disputing the debt. Debt verification request. Letter = collection agency confirming amount owed. By knowing your rights and understanding these important letters, you can protect your finances and make informed decisions. Remember, I'm not a lawyer, but I found this information in my own research and it may be of public interest. Like, share, and comment to spread the word if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. Together, let's navigate our way to financial stability. Subscribe for more financial tips and resources.